Hello, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to set up a loan in QuickBooks Online. Setting up a loan correctly is important to make sure your financial records are accurate and organized. Whether you're managing a small business or keeping track of personal finances, following these steps will make bookkeeping much easier. First, log in to your QuickBooks Online account. Once you're in, look at the left-hand side of your dashboard for the menu panel. Here we're going to find the Transactions tab, which is where all your financial activities are managed. Click on Transactions to continue. Within the Transactions tab, navigate to the Chart of Accounts. This is essentially a list of all your financial accounts in QuickBooks where you organize every transaction. We need to create a dedicated account for the loan, so select Chart of Accounts to proceed. Next, look for the New button, usually in the top right corner. This opens a form for creating a new account, which is crucial for recording your loan accurately. Click New to start. In the form, type the name of your loan in the account name field. Be descriptive so it's easy to identify later. Then set the account type by clicking the drop-down menu and selecting Current Liabilities. This ensures the loan is categorized correctly in your financial statements as a liability. Next, set the detail type by choosing Loan Payable from the drop-down menu. This refines how the loan is tracked and reported, keeping everything accurate. Once you've double-checked your entries, click Save. This adds the loan to your QuickBooks account and makes it part of your ongoing financial tracking. And that's it. You've successfully set up a loan in QuickBooks Online. This keeps your records up to date and makes your bookkeeping more seamless, helping you get better insights into your financial health. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe for more QuickBooks tips and tutorials.